Union Legislature, the Parliament. In this topic, we would learn about Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and powers of the Speaker. Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is known as the House of the People because its members are directly elected by the people. The maximum strength of the House as laid down in the Constitution is 552. Currently, there are 545 members in the Lok Sabha. This number increases as the population of the country grows. Elections to the Lok Sabha. For the purpose of elections, the country is divided into 543 constituencies. These are created on the basis of population. The President nominates 2 members of the Anglo-Indian community, if it is not otherwise represented in the Lok Sabha. Candidates can be either affiliated to parties or contest elections as independent candidates. The candidate who polls the maximum number of votes is declared as the Member of Parliament from that particular constituency. All citizens above the age of 18 years can participate in this electoral process. Voting is done by secret ballot. This ensures that only the voter knows for whom he has voted. The party which gets an absolute majority, that is, more than half the seats in Parliament, is invited by the President to form the government. If no party gets a clear majority, like-minded parties who are willing to negotiate may form a coalition government. Other political parties who oppose the majority party or coalition form the opposition. Term of the Lok Sabha. The term of the Lok Sabha is for a period of 5 years. Its term ends after every 5 years and fresh elections are held. But it can be dissolved earlier by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Qualifications. A person who stands for election to the Lok Sabha should be an Indian citizen and above the age of 25 years, should not be bankrupt or mentally unstable, and should not hold any salaried government job. Sessions of the Lok Sabha. Normally, the Lok Sabha has 3 sessions in a year, namely the budget session from February to May, the monsoon session from July to August, and the winter session from November to December. The Speaker. The Speaker is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. Usually he or she belongs to the ruling party. The Speaker is elected from among the members of Lok Sabha. The Speaker is expected to remain impartial. He or she is the principal spokesperson of the House. Powers of the Speaker. The Speaker presides over the Lok Sabha, maintains discipline in the Lok Sabha, certifies money bills, may cast his or her vote to resolve the deadlock if there is a tie after voting, and allows member to ask questions. The Lok Sabha also elects a deputy speaker who presides over the House in the absence of the Speaker. He or she usually belongs to the leading opposition party. Rajya Sabha. The upper house or the Council of the States, that is the Rajya Sabha, can have up to 250 members. This includes 12 members nominated by the President of India. The members nominated are chosen from amongst distinguished personalities in the country like authors, journalists, jurists, scientists, technocrats, social workers, economists, theatre personalities, actors, etc. The elected members represent the various states and union territories. Unlike the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. It is a permanent body and a third of its members retire every 2 years. So each member has a term of 6 years. Presiding Officer. The Vice President of India presides over the Rajya Sabha. He or she is the ex officio chairperson, as he or she gets this post only by virtue of being the Vice President. The members of the Rajya Sabha elect the deputy chairperson from among themselves. Qualification to contest. To be a member of the Rajya Sabha, a person has to be an Indian citizen aged 30 years and above, should neither be bankrupt nor be of unsound mind, and should not hold any salaried government job. That is all in this topic. In the next topic, we will learn about the functioning of the legislature. Till then, keep learning.